What's up, family? It's your girl, Saida. I'm back with another video. So today's topic, we're going to discuss how I maintain my femininity while serving in the United States Army. Okay? So I want y'all to kick back, relax. I'm about to drop some tea, drop some gems for y'all. If you're interested in serving the military or if you are currently in the military, I'm going to give you some of my tips and tricks on how I stay looking cute while in that uniform, right? All right, stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing is first, right? I think it's important to keep your hygiene up to standard. So in the military, you do have to wake up early in the morning and conduct PT, okay, physical training. And physical training is usually between 6:30 and 7:30. Sometimes it's earlier, sometimes it's around 5. But 6:30 and 7:30 is the standard time, and this is your time to work out. So you're going to be sweaty, you're going to be stink. When you're done with PT, take a shower. That's rule number one. Rule number one, take a shower in the morning, okay? And I know it sounds like, girl, why are you telling us that? You'll be surprised how many soldiers do not take showers. When I was a commander, I had to definitely talk to a number of soldiers about their hygiene, all right? So the first thing you want to do is take a shower, utilize deodorant, and put on a clean uniform. Step number one. Okay, so the second step is in conjunction with step number one. You want to make sure that your uniform fits you. Back in the day when I first joined, it was popular to have a big baggy uniform for men, right? Even some women used to have baggy uniforms. I know my uniform was baggy, but that's because I was skinny. But you want to make sure, especially ladies, you want to make sure that your uniform is tailored nicely. You want to make sure that it fits you. Now, I know most of us, we're kind of bigger on the bottom and kind of smaller up top. So if you got to get a small up top and a medium on the bottom, that's fine. But just make sure your uniform fits. Make sure that it's not too tight and it's not too loose. So that's what I do. I'm going to insert a picture, or I'm going to try to find a picture of how my uniform looks, okay? I'll insert one right now. Okay, so here we go, guys. This is my everyday look. I usually wear my hair in a bun. You see the earrings, the eyebrows on fleek. A little bit of mascara. Uniform is sitting nice. Not too tight, not too loose. You see that? I don't think I even had makeup on, but you get the picture. I wish I'd show you. See my nails? You really didn't see it, but just regular nails. Regular tan nails. Okay, this is another one of me, but this time I just have the ponytail out in the back. Same concept. I was actually gaining some weight drinking all that Starbucks. But there you go. You get the gist of it, right? Simple. So step number 3, once you have your uniform down pat, you want to work on your boots. So, I tell my son all the time when he's taking a shower, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So you took your shower, you got on a fresh pair of uniform, your uniform is nice, everything is sewn on, right? The only thing that's not sewn on is your patches, but everything else is sewn on, your nameplate, your U.S. Army, your rank. You have on a fresh pair of boots, okay? Now it's time to tackle that hair. Yes, I said that. It's time to tackle that hair. All right, so ladies, if you are in the military, 9 times out of 10, you're either going to be relaxed or natural. If you're relaxed, put your hair in a ponytail. Put your hair in a bun. All right. And you don't use it. You could use a sock bun, but I usually buy my buns from Amazon and I just put my hair over it. Or if you're natural, you could wear your hair out in a little pony and I just put my hair over it. Or if you're natural, you could wear your hair out in a little pony. Either way, it doesn't matter. Make sure your hair is nicely pulled back into a ponytail. For me, I like to do a side part. Sometimes I do a middle part, but my hair is nicely pulled back into a ponytail. And now we're able to wear earrings. So the earrings that I wear is usually my little small diamond earrings. And it just gives you a nice feminine look. Okay? So, yeah. Ponytail, earrings. After that, I am makeup. That's not a word, declined. I don't know how to put on makeup, basically. I was trying to say that I'm makeup illiterate. Well, yeah, I'm makeup illiterate. I don't know how to wear makeup. I don't know how to put on makeup. I'm actually about to learn. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. What you want to do is you want to make sure your eyebrows is good. Your face is good, right? So my eyebrows stay done. Okay? Then, this is my secret. I don't know if I should tell y'all. Don't judge me. I get my lashes done. Now, lashes is not a part of the regulation. It actually goes against the regulation unless you have a doctor's note saying that you need lashes. But I wear lashes. Look at my lashes. My lashes are so small. It just look like short. It just look like I have mascara on. I wear lashes. I'm a captain. I could get away with it. Do what your rank can handle. So if you know you can't wear lashes, go ahead and buy you some good mascara. The 3D mascara off of Amazon. If not, I don't know what to tell you. But I wear lashes. Now, after that, my nails stay done. I'm on vacation right now, so my nails is not in regulation. But I usually have my nails this length. And I usually have a cotton candy color. So the bottom is a base. This is a cotton candy color. And I don't have the white tip, but okay. Yeah. So let's go back. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, right? Head, your hair is done. Make sure it's nicely put into a bun. Your face, make sure your eyebrows minimum is done. Lashes, make sure you either have a good mascara, or if you're in a unit where the rules is a little bit relaxed, you can probably get away with wearing short lashes. It's not in the regulation. You cannot do it per the regulation though, okay? I always wear like a nice little pink lip gloss, and then my nails stay done. That's that. Uniform, always nice, trimmed. It fits me. I usually wear a small top and a medium bottom, okay? My boots is always nice and clean. And honestly, it's also about confidence. I'm confident. Like when I go to work, I'm confident. Yeah, I mean, that's basically it. I'm confident. Now, for PT is just a situation where I always look a hot mess because I'm usually tired, and I usually just get up and go, brush my teeth, throw my uniform, and go. So I really can't give you advice for PT, but when you go to work from 9 o'clock until 1700 or 9 o'clock to 1800, take your time, get dressed, look in the mirror, make sure there's nothing in your nose, make sure your ears is clean, make sure, your eyebrows, like I said, people look at your face. I don't wear makeup, so your eyebrows is good, your lashes is good, or you have a good mascara. If you suffer from acne, go ahead and get you some facials. It's okay. Put a little bit of baby hair to frame your face. Like, these are the things that I do, and I feel confident. I look good. I smell good. That's another thing, too. I ain't talking about smells. We're going to get into perfume later, but make sure you smell good. Yeah. And that's how I maintain my femininity in the military. Okay? Now, while maintaining your femininity, let's not forget that you're still a soldier, and you're still going to be expected to do ruck marches, run, do sit-ups, do push-ups, do all those things, burpees and everything. That doesn't excuse you. You can still look fly, you can still be bomb, and still be a soldier, okay? So no way, shape, or form am I telling you to go in there and act like you can't do nothing, or to disobey the regulation and wear lashes. I just wear lashes because my rank can handle it. If your rank can't handle it, please don't wear lashes. Go ahead and get you the mascara. All right? It's healthier for your lashes anyway. You don't have to wear fake lashes. Some of y'all be ODing anyway, especially when y'all wear the strips, but you don't have to wear fake lashes. You can go ahead and just do the mascara and you'll look good to go. And also, ladies, I forgot to tell you, if you have a short haircut, you can wear your hair down. You can also wear your hair in a ponytail without the bun, as long as it doesn't go past your bar strap. So I always do that too. So that's just food for thought, okay? If you need any more tips and tricks about being feminine in the military, or how to just carry yourself as a woman, a young woman, let me know. Like I said, I joined the military at 19. I've been in the Army for 15 years. I've been there. I've done it. I've seen it. I know how it is. I know how the guys are. I know how the first sergeant is. I know how the sergeant major is. I know how the commander is. I know how the XO is. I know how the maintenance officer is. I know it. So if you need help, if you need guidance, if you need me to point you in the right direction, please feel free to let me know. Hit me up, send me an email, DM me on Instagram, and I'll be sure to help you out, all right? Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.